Hi, my name is Sebastian Kreuz. I'm a PhD student at BTU Cottbus in Germany. I would like to present you some insights from our recently published paper measuring the cost of renewable energy in Germany, published in the Electricity Journal. This paper is a joint work with Professor Felix Müskens. In the year 2000, Germany implemented the Renewable Energy Sources Act. Under that law, renewable energies got technology-specific feed-in tariffs for every kilowatt-hour produced. The subsidy is paid for each installation for about 20 years. Our goal was to quantify the net cost of this support approach until the year 2030 for all installations built between 2000 and 2011. In our approach, we estimated the net costs by subtracting the value of the electricity produced from the subsidy payments. Therefore, the benefit of renewable energies in our case is the market value of the electricity it produced. With the help of the given equation, we estimated the net costs of the respective renewable installations. First, by calculating the renewable generation, and second, multiplying it with the specific subsidy paid in the form of a feed-in tariff. Third, subtracting the market value of the produced electricity in the wholesale market from the gross costs. Our results can be seen in the graph below. It shows the annual subsidy payments as gross cost in dark blue and the technology-specific annual net cost on the right-hand side. The difference between the gross cost in the left column and the net cost result from the market value of the renewable electricity. For the whole period of observation, we calculated that German renewable power plant operators will have received aggregated payments of 340 billion euros between 2000 and 2030. The electricity then produced has a wholesale market value of about 140 billion euros, which brings the net costs to about 200 billion euros. About 50% of the overall net costs come from photovoltaics, which is illustrated as a yellow part of the columns. This is especially noteworthy as photovoltaics just have a share of slightly more than 20% of the total aggregated renewable electricity generation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy our paper.